Hi friends, today we are making deviled prawns, a gentle, family friendly seafood dish. This version is mild, not hot or spicy, with the smooth, glossy sauce, soft flavors, juicy prawns, and something everyone at the table can enjoy. All right, let's get into the recipe. I have 750 grams of banana prawns already cleaned and washed. I think we all know how to clean prawns, so I won't waste your time on that part. Have simply seasoned the prawns with salt, black pepper, and squeeze of fresh lemon. That's all you need at this stage. I am using soy sauce, oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, and tomato sauce as my sauces. If you have chili paste, that's great to use here. If not, don't worry, chili flakes will work perfectly fine. I am keeping this simple and pantry friendly. For the rest, I am adding a little corn flour to thicken the sauce, some ginger and garlic for that lovely aroma, and just a small pinch of sugar to balance the tanginess and saltiness of the sauce. Now, for my fresh ingredients, I am using banana capsicum. You can use sweet banana capsicum or hot ones. It's completely up to your spice level. And I am using red and yellow capsicum, some baby tomatoes, and onions roughly chopped, and some curry leaves. They give beautiful aroma and extra flavor to this dish. Now we are going to finish this by cooking. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan and heat it well. Once the pan is hot, add the marinated prawns. This step takes only a couple of minutes, so keep the heat on high. As soon as the prawns change the color, take them out of the pan and keep them aside. Don't overcook them. Prawn cook very fast. This is important tip. Before you start cooking, make sure all your ingredients are ready to go. This dish move very quickly. Now the prawns are cooked just enough. They will finish cooking gently with the fresh ingredients and the sauces, soaking up all those beautiful flavors without becoming rubbery. That's the secret: high heat, quick cooking, and finishing off the sauce. Perfectly tender, juicy prawns every time. Now I am making my sauce mix. Add about 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, about a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoon of soy sauce. half a teaspoon of sugar, next add 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour and mix everything together really well, making sure there are no lumps. This sauce is what gives the dish that glossy, balanced finish. Savory, slightly sweet, and perfect with the prawns. Use in the same pan, add a little oil if needed. Now add all the fresh ingredients: ginger garlic, and all other vegetables we are using. Don't cook them too much. I will show you the texture you are looking for. They should stay fresh and slightly crunchy. Now add your chili paste, chili flakes, or both, depending on your taste. Next, pour the sauce mixture and you will immediately see the magic happen. Finally, add the fried prawns back into the pan and mix everything really well and turn the heat off. And that is quick, glossy, and absolutely delicious. And here it is, our quick and glossy deviled banana prawns dish. The prawns are tender, the vegetables are fresh and vibrant, and that sauce brings everything together beautifully. This dish is mild, family friendly, and ready in minutes. Perfect for any day of the week. It goes amazingly with steamed rice, egg fried rice, even in plain pasta. You must try this one. Thanks for watching.